Okay, so we are doing another unusual watch, and I thought I show you how to work this guy. So I already opened up all the screws. What it is actually using the right kind of a screw. This one is actually only one-headed, and it has to fit properly. Otherwise, you will have a hard time opening it. So let's see. I have it over here. I don't know if you can see the lighting is a little unusual. So I opened those guys and this one. So I would suggest that you won't do this without the gloves, but because I already changed the battery, I'm okay with it. So the back still looks like it's closed. Even though I took this guy off, don't worry about it. We're just going to put it on the side and take this one out of here. Be careful when you're doing it because there's a lot of little things like these guys in there that you don't want to bend anything and you don't want to touch any of this part. When you're doing it, put this one totally on the side without touching it and don't touch any of these parts inside. As I said, it's better to do this with the gloves than anything else, but I already changed the battery. So then when you're changing the battery, again, you can't see. Make sure this one is first glided on the side and then you put the battery exactly the right size. Make sure the numbers in here, like this one is CR2032, make sure you put the exact size. If it's a little higher or lower, it's gonna destroy the watch. Then again, you take this guy, not touching this part, and when you're putting it back, you see how these little ones are over here. That's where it's gonna be all of these guys going, like the little guys. So I'm gonna put it right in here, and then you see it's not fitting right now. So I have to go very slowly until it glides in and is totally secure. Then you can put this guy back of it. Again, be careful with it and make sure that all of the holes is right there. And then just put the screws back and use the right kind of a thing to close it, and that's it. As I said, I'm just making sure that you know that some of the digital ones are quite hard to work with. Well, hopefully you don't damage your watch. Again, use the gloves, don't use your hand, especially where you had to put the back on it before you put the second back. Have a wonderful day.